card debt normally is not going to go away. Now, I kind of think of credit card debt kind of going away if it's past the statute of limitations. Now, I seen somebody's credit report and I realized that the statute of limitations in California makes you guys consult with an attorney, but the statute of limitations in California is 4 years. So if you guys had that from 2018, is 2022. So now that debt is probably, if you stay in California, they're no longer able to actually sue you on that debt. So I kind of think of that debt as kind of going away, because you don't have to worry about them actually suing you, garnishing your check, or anything like that. Now, technically, it kind of, it don't go away. It's out there. It's still in there that you owe. If it's the original company, they can still continue to call you about that debt, try to check on you about that debt. But if it's a collection company, they have, if you tell them to stop contacting you, they have to stop contacting you. And then also, if you tell them to stop contacting you at that time, a lot of companies may try to go and just sue you, but they got to make sure that they're not outside the statute of limitations. But look at the statute of limitation in your state to figure out, will your debt kind of go away? But other than that, debt is usually not going to go away. Try to see if it's some way that you can settle it out. And if you guys settle it out, you don't have to worry about each company selling it to each other. You don't have to worry about that. You don't have to worry about these companies just popping up on your credit report. You don't have to worry about those different things. So it's not going to go away, but you can definitely do something about it.